There is literally no excuse for you no more to say that you can't start putting out those vlogs. I mean, gone are the days where we needed the fanciest of fancy gadgets, the Canons, the Nikons, to shoot vlogs correctly. So today I'm going to be, sharing with you how to vlog and how to vlog correctly with just using your mobile phone and, some other gadgets. So if that's something you're interested in, why don't you keep on watching? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Success, the Success Carter, and if this is my first time on your screen, please don't make it your last. I'd like for you guys to join the fam, and if it's not, welcome back. OG. So today is a practical kind of day. It's, I'm not just going to be sitting down here and telling you guys, how to do stuff, but no, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do stuff. I'm not really sitting in my regular, setup, and that's because I'm in business today. Gone were the days where we said, oh, we needed the fanciest of fancy gadget to, put out content and shoot vlogs. No, you definitely do not need that. So today I will be sharing with you how to shoot vlogs correctly just using your mobile phones. And today I'll be sharing with you guys alongside that how to improve the quality of your vlogs, types of shots that you can be shooting your vlogs in, like the angles and stuff, storyline, gears, and all the regular schmegular things you need to know. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. First off, we can't get past this without bringing out what you need, the gears you need to shoot your vlog on your phone. So what are the gears you need to actually shoot your vlogs on your phone? First of all, I mean, you've been using your phone. I mean, I'm shooting this video on my phone, it's on the tripod, and it's set up, and I'm just shooting. So why can't you do that? Why? So in shooting this alongside with your phone, you need other items to just improve the quality of your vlog. Because let me tell you something, you mustn't really look like you are using something substandard to shoot your vlog. I mean, you're using your phone, but I mean, let it still give the quality it's supposed to give. So in shooting your vlogs, you need a couple of things, and they include, you need mini tripod like this. Is very compact, so you can take it where you need to take, especially if you're like a self-sufficient vlogger like I am. I really don't like stressing people to like say, oh, shoot me. I just take this out and I'm able to shoot from any angle that I want to shoot. So having this will save your life and save you the stress of having to be fake nice to people and say, oh my god, this can help me vlog. No, just get this and you will be fine. Second of all, you might need this kind of tripod for like more stable shot, like I'm doing right now, like medium stable shot that I'm just talking to you, so you're close to me and it's not really cropped into my face. It's like here, so you can still hear what I'm saying, you can still see like some parts of my body. So yeah, to achieve that and more stable shot, you definitely be needing this type of tripods. I've watched a couple of other videos and they're like, oh, you need a gimbal, you need a stabilizer, but I don't really use a stabilizer. You have hands and you can hold your phone firmly, can't you? So doing that would just save you cost. So doing that would just like save you cost and everything you need. So basically you just really need this and a stable tripod. That's all you need to take your vlog to the next level. Moving on to the quality of your vlogs, I mean, it be just the randomest things that when I post my vlog, people are just like, oh, what do you use to take your vlogs, what's the name of your camera? And I literally have to tell them, oh, go and check the description and see the camera, and they say that it's my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and they're like, why doesn't it have the same quality? Well, I'm about to share that with you right now. So I always recommend you shooting your vlogs in 4K. Like, it just makes a huge loads of difference when you shoot your vlogs in 4K. I don't really want to hear the excuse that it takes a lot of space. It's worth it. It's literally worth it. I just try it and you will see the difference. It literally looks like you're shooting it with the camera, but you're not. You're shooting with your phone. So yeah, we want to get the best quality, and for you to get the best quality, you have to shoot in 4K. The other tip I would like to give you is to always wipe your camera lens. Wipe your camera lens. Now, I don't care if you've shot with the back camera for 5 minutes ago. When you want to use a new one, clean it. It doesn't take you anything to wipe your lens. This is what I used to wipe my lens, and the short story of this is that this is literally one of my t-shirts that I found used to clean my camera really well. And you know what, I just sliced it and I take this everywhere with me. When I want to make a video, anytime I want to make a video, I literally just take it and wipe my camera before I start filming, because you really don't know if you've touched your camera. You don't know if you've smudged it. So we want to avoid that. Just wipe it, because if you use a camera that has been smudged, maybe your fingerprint or anything, and a camera that has been properly cleaned, obviously the quality is going to be different. So endeavor to always wipe your lens before you shoot. And I mean, always shoot with your back camera. Do I need to even expatiate on that one? Now, moving on to the types of shot. Now, I know that I said I was going to like give you like practicals, but I just really want us to just form a basis before we start, giving examples of what have you. So, moving on to the types of shots that you can use to spice up your vlog. We have like different types of shots that you can use, and I'm just literally going to name it. If I have the chance, I'll insert like clips of what I'm talking about so you get a better understanding of what I am doing. The first shot I would like to establish is your wide angle shot. Now, these are the shots that, set the scene to where you are and what you're doing. Like, it's a very wide shot. It literally shows and encapsulates like everything. Secondly, we have like a middle or confessional type shot. That is this type of shot I'm doing, that you can literally see like a portion of me. I'm not too far, I'm not too close to the camera. It's just like it's giving middle. Thirdly, we have tight shots or like close-up shots. Those are those shots that you use where you're trying to focus on something. Let's take for example, I'm trying to wear my watch, I'm trying to do my shoes, I'm trying to arrange a particular thing, and I'm just focused on that. That is a tight or closed-up shot. The other types of shot I would like to show you are like selfie shots and like point of view shots. Selfie shots are the one you use maybe your phone camera to like just you're just walking, you're out and about. And point of view shots are those ones that doesn't really show you but shows where you're going to. I'll probably insert like clips so you see what I'm talking about, and you can just get a feel and get along of what I'm saying without me sounding too abstract. So I think that is all for this portion. I mean, let's get up, let's start practicing what we are preaching, because you must start that vlog. You must start that vlog today. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I'm on my way out now. I'm just going to meet a couple of friends. If you're Nigerian, you know that the past couple of weeks have been crazy. So I just want to take out the time to just like go meet up with my friend and have conversations and eat and all of that. So yeah, I will see you guys when I see you guys. Bye. Now, what did I just do? I literally just narrated, and no kidding guys, narration is one of the most important parts of like vlogging. Your audience should not just be scared or like go into like a jump scare moment where you like bring up the next clip without necessarily telling them what is happening or guiding them through the activities that is happening for today. So narration is a very, very, very essential part of vlogging. I mean, I just literally told you that I'm going out to see my friend, which I am, by the way, but even just jump into like the scene. I literally narrated it to you so you know what to expect. I'm guiding you, and that's what like vlogging is about. I'm literally holding your hands and I'm guiding you through my day and how it went, and that is definitely how it should be, not just a series of clip without no narration. So yeah, do take note of this, and yeah, I will see you guys when I see you guys. Bye. So hi guys, we're back, and I want to talk about audio. Now I know the audio can be like quite a challenge when you're like out and about, when you're like vlogging out and about. As you can see in this video, I don't even know if you can hear me. So to get the best quality audio, what you want to do is to always take along with you your external mic, and I will plug it and get back to you to see how the audio actually do change. So yeah, I will see you guys in a moment. Hi guys, so we're back, and I'm sure you can hear like a difference in the audio quality, and this is because I'm currently using my external mic. Let me just clip this to my body so you can see that it does still work if I clip it in my body. Now voila, our audio has gone from being whoppy choppy to like being the creme de la creme. So always taking your mic along with you. I know it can be a bit like eyebrow raised, but like it will change the quality of your audio so much that you definitely want to take this out. Normally when I'm like vlogging out and about, I probably don't carry my mic because I know I'm just going to get like tips and bits of shots before I go back to my house and I'm like talking once again. But if you like want to vlog where you're like having like full on conversations, then you should maybe look into taking your mic with you. Now that we're done with that, let's explore more of the scenery. So we're out and about, and I literally just wanted to come talk about like other things that you can do to spice up your vlog. And one of these ways, or one of the tools you can use to actually spice up your vlog, is by using the time lapse feature, or the feature where you speed up like your clips, especially when you're like doing like activities and you don't want it to be too long and too boring. You can literally add those type of transitions, just like keep your video like going so that it won't be boring. Yeah, I just wanted to have a conversation about how cringy like is this to like vlog in public. And I know like one of the hindrances of like vlogging in like a public space is like it being too cringe, and you're like, I don't want to be too cringe, but F that. F that. I mean, who cares about anybody else? You're getting your content and you're going home at the end of the day. Like, look at me right now. I'm talking in a room full of people, but like, who really cares? Who gives a damn? Like, I don't. So, you shouldn't either. And I know the big elephant in the room is that you always have to, maybe go into a room or set the camera before you start your activities. Yes, that's why it's called vlogging for a reason. Speaking about like filming from different angles, yes, I do agree that it can be like stressful, but it just adds like another kind of dimension to the vlog, and it takes the vlog literally from like one level to the other. So I mean, why not try it out to begin with? And to achieve this, I know it's quite tasking. You have to literally do like the same movement that you've done and capture it from like different angles, so it kind of like spices up the entire thing. And that's what we like hope to achieve when we're vlogging. And yeah, that's literally that about it. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, just on conduct, on my mama. Hi guys, good morning. Yesterday was actually a lot, so I wasn't able to wrap this up yesterday, but you know what? We're doing it now, and we're doing it today. So today we just want to wrap up everything, as regards to how to put your vlogs together and all that. Previously yesterday we talked about the gears you need, the narrations, the types of shots you might need to do, some edits that you might want to use to spice up everything, and just shooting from different angles to just zhuzh up that vlog that you want to do. However, what we failed to do yesterday was to kind of bring everything together. Now, what happens when you've gotten all the shots? I mean, you've done the types of shots, you've done this, you've done that, you've done yada yada yada. What do you do to bring them together to make sense? Because at the end of the day, if you are doing all this and if you spend your time to film all this type of shot but you can't bring them together, it will literally make no sense. And this is where storyline comes in. I can't say this enough, but storyline is one of the most important things that you should take note of when you're vlogging, because you can't be vlogging in obscurity or perpetuity. You can't just vlog in the air, except that is kind of like the storyline you're going for. Maybe, oh, let's see what the day brings, then maybe that will suffice. But even at that, you must have some sort of plan, some sorts of things that you actually do want to show your viewer, because at the end of the day, your viewers want to get led to what is happening in your day. So what if you don't know what's happening in your day? You're not leading anybody, everybody's just confused. So it's a bit chaotic when that happens. So it's very ideal that you should have a storyline. What do you want to do in the vlog? What do you want to achieve in the vlog? Where are you going to in the vlog? Why don't you maybe sit down in the beginning or in the middle or at some point and explain, or try to carry your viewers along. And that is why one thing I do for me, if I'm not introducing my vlog in the beginning by doing like a regular sit down like this, a confessional short, I'm usually doing it somewhat in the middle. So like I'm literally telling them, oh, what is happening, what will happen, things like that. What are my expectations? Did it happen? Did something wrong happen when I wanted to achieve my expectation? Just things like that to take them throughout your vlog is very important, because people can't just be watching your lives in obscurity. Like they just say, oh, what does the day bring? And just like it just I don't know about you, but I would maybe click off from a vlog and maybe you have probably even clicked off from a vlog subconsciously, because the vlog wasn't really going anywhere. So storyline is something you might want to take into consideration. Then we move on to the edit part of it. What happens when you've shot this video and you've added your storyline and done all these things? It's now really down to the final edits that would determine if the vlog is the creme de la creme vlog, or it's just like a regular schmegular type vlog. And when you're editing, just maybe try and infuse some things, like I said earlier, the slow-mo, the fast pace, everything should just like put on a good show. Those tips and tricks of your edits are just like spices that you need to like sweeten up your vlog. And once you can get this, it would be soaring, flying high from there. Also, part of edit also includes the use of music. Now I get this question a lot on how I get my music. One place I recommend you getting music, because that's where I get my music from, is SoundCloud. And on SoundCloud, it's kind of tricky because not everything is copyright free there. So what you want to look for when you get on SoundCloud is the refixes of songs, not remixes, refixes or reworks of songs. And I'll always recommend that before you do post these refixes or before you use them in your vlogs, maybe test them out on your YouTube before you use them in your videos. You can test them out by just uploading a clip of the song, upload it on YouTube and upload it in the unlisted mode. And when you finish uploading it, YouTube will tell you if it's copyright free or not. But if you don't want to go through all that stress, there are other sites that offers copyright free music like Thematic and stuff. So yeah, music is just like that final element that brings everything together. And yeah, all right guys, we have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, I shared with you how to vlog, the types of shots to get, and all the shebangs that you need to know. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. It helps me a lot. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.